What is this? It's a duck. Holy shit, is that the man behind the slaughter? That gotta be Mike. Mike. It says right answer only. What the fuck are you talking about? What's wrong with that, with mouse fandom? I don't know. I don't know. Who the fuck is this? Is Monica from me? What the fuck? LARPity from that LARP. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, who is this? And mod it to verify the straight duo. Pac-Man and Enderman, what the fuck? He's not gonna see this, sorry. Man, this is satire. It sounds like that one. So. My boy is very feminine, but his voice is masculine. I need an explanation, like, it better that he is a boy. What the fuck are you talking about? He's an emoji. He's actually I don't know why this person cares that it's an androgynous.
Androgynous.
Don't ask what is happening in the background right now. Is this mad to care so much about the emoji dependency? I'm so fucking scared. There's not your give credits. I'm just searching for the wild mark. I think that's it. Oh, that's not it. Find out because why not? Second, please don't hate. And okay. Yeah, they're my plushies. Who'd you get? A magician never revealed the secret. Shut the fuck up. Every Miku is fucking canon. Okay, then. What is that? And who is the Nevan Polka? But Atsune that. Oh. Oh, I keyed your car. Okay. What do you mean you keyed your car? My favorite plush I made. For the favorite plush is insane, bro. Do you like him? What the fuck are you talking about? What? I would, but I can't. Sorry. Fuck nah. Who? Who was that? What the fuck are you talking about? Divine. What happened to this wild girl? No. Read my trunks, please. That over took sleep. Big. It's beautiful. That's not even your post. Who the fuck are you talking about? How it's beautiful. That's not even you, gang. 10,000. That's not you. That's not yours. What was? Thank you. I know it's thank you, but should you change it, please? Because thank you means thank you. I can't be asked to type thank you. That's not your post. Really. Thank you. It's did you hear about the latest drama? Nuh-uh. I mean, I did. Now I'm gonna explain it. Oh, what the fuck? And, yes, I used this as a reaction sticker to my friends. She basically just stole that. But that's not his. Oh, pins! He's right behind me, isn't he? We are so fucking fried, bro.